Welcome to Auto Turbowheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting rebirths in American muscle car history, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 Big Block. That's right, Chevy is bringing back an icon, and it's coming back stronger, louder, and meaner than ever. This isn't just a name revival, it's a full-blown muscle resurrection that's ready to shake up the streets and make the competition nervous. For those who remember the original Nova, it was a no-nonsense street machine, light, compact, and capable of insane power when tuned right. The new 2026 Nova keeps that spirit alive but cranks everything up to modern extremes. Under the hood sits the heart of the beast, a 7.4-liter 454 cubic inch V8 Big Block, re-engineered for the modern age. It's a blend of classic displacement and new school technology. Chevy's engineers have tuned this monster to deliver a mind-blowing 720 horsepower and around 680 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated production cars in its class. The roar of that big block is pure American thunder. With active exhaust valves, drivers can switch between a deep street growl and a track-ready scream. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic, the Nova 454 gives you total control over its raw power. Chevy claims a 0 to 60 time of just 3.4 seconds, which is insane for a car that proudly sticks to its muscle heritage rather than chasing supercar aerodynamics. Now let's talk design, because the 2026 Nova doesn't just perform, it looks ready to pounce. The exterior takes clear inspiration from the 1970s Nova SS but with a futuristic twist. A wide, aggressive stance, bold body lines, and muscular fenders give it that unmistakable street presence. Up front, you'll find a blacked-out grille with hidden LED headlamps that flick on like eyes in the dark. The hood features twin heat extractors, hinting at the monster lurking underneath, while the rear gets quad exhaust tips and an optional carbon fiber spoiler. Every inch of the car has been sculpted with performance in mind, from the side air vents that cool the brakes to the diffuser that helps keep the car planted at high speed. Even the wheels, 20-inch forged alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, scream performance. And yes, Brembo brakes come standard, because with this much power, stopping fast is just as important as going fast. Inside, Chevy has perfectly blended old-school attitude with modern tech. You'll see classic round dials mixed with a fully digital 12-inch driver display that can be customized for track, sport, or cruising modes. The seats are wrapped in Alcantara and leather, stitched with 454 logos, while the shifter and steering wheel retain the tactile, driver-focused feel that muscle cars are known for. There's also a heads-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a track data recorder for performance enthusiasts who want to relive every lap. But Chevy didn't forget about sound. The Nova 454 Big Block comes with a dual-mode exhaust system and a premium Bose sound setup. Though, honestly, who needs speakers when your V8 sounds like a symphony of explosions? Still, for daily use, this car can switch to comfort mode, quiet down, and handle like a grand tourer, showing off its versatility. In terms of handling, this isn't your dad's Nova. The 2026 model uses a modern independent rear suspension, adaptive magnetic ride control, and a lightweight aluminum chassis that keeps the car balanced and precise through corners. It's still rear-wheel drive, of course, no AWD here, because Chevy wants to keep that pure, raw driving experience alive. Traction control and launch control are standard, but you can turn them off if you dare. To tame the beast yourself, Chevrolet says the 2026 Nova 454 Big Block will be produced in limited numbers, making it a collector's dream. Expect pricing to start around $85,000, which puts it right between the Camaro 1 Zelati and the Corvette Stingray. For muscle car fans, this is the sweet spot, raw American power without the luxury car compromises. The 2026 Nova isn't just another revival, it's a statement. It's Chevy reminding everyone that the muscle car spirit is still alive, even in a world dominated by EVs and hybrids. It's unapologetic, it's loud, and it's all about pure driving excitement. When you fire up that 454 Big Block, you don't just start a car, you wake up an era. So, what do you think? Has Chevrolet just built the ultimate modern muscle car? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe because Auto Turbowheels will keep bringing you the hottest rides, first looks, and performance deep dives every week. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova 454 Big Block, an American legend reborn, ready to own the streets once again.